house heat pump's not working. I guess she said it works in air conditioning, but not in heating. Could be a reversing valve. Let's see what it is. Hey, how are you? How you doing?
Please, so please. Stop. Please stop. Please stop.
Colors are all fucked up on this one. This is working in cooling condenser. So we're gonna pull R, we're gonna pull Y, and we're gonna pull G. We're not gonna take the reversing valve because that would be energizing cooling. I wanna see what happens in heating. Before I wire nut anything, I'm gonna go to the condenser and open up my control panel. I'm gonna jump R, G, and Y together. Indoor fan, power, compressor for heating only. No power. Board's probably bad. Let me check voltage. Yeah, this thing's intermittent. It's going on and off. So let me grab my meter. There's your board problem. Yep. Click. I think I might have a board in the truck. See, I'm dropping out on my 24 volts here, which is coming from my board right here. Look. See, it's not always making the connection with the 24. Alright, so I have my power here. No power there, but if I play with this wire right here, sometimes the disconnect will pull, the contactor will pull in, and it'll start. So I'm thinking this board's got a bad connection to it. I think I have a board in the truck. Let me see if I can swap it. Now it starts up, so it's a loose connection somewhere. It'll kick out though in a second, yeah, like it just did. So let's see what it is. Making the connection it was supposed to. See if it kicks on. Pressure switch. Okay. Let's lower that. Let's put this fan back on. Low pressure switch was kicking out and giving us a problem. I knew it was that coming down at the contactor because every time I would put it back on, the contactor wouldn't close at all times unless I like banged it a little. So it's dark out, guys. Let me just put this back on. Now let's see if I have voltage. Let's see if I have power on my heat pump first. Beer can warm. Not cold on this one. She's heating now. Oh yeah. Guys, she's running. I gotta go upstairs now, put the thermostat back to normal, hook it up. That's that. There's the old board, or there's the new board. That wasn't the problem. I just wanted to swap it to see. So I put her old board back in, and the high pressure switch is what I had to bypass. So we ordered a high pressure switch for her. And we'll come back and do it. But this isn't my customer. I got a call from her through a friend. But she's in that's my light, that's the condensation. She's in good shape now. So I'm gonna go take a temperature rise upstairs, and I think I'll be on my way. Let's see what it is. Got a quarter tank of gas in my new E-Class. RGY, that's what I used. Delay, go downstairs, make sure it kicks on. We'll be waiting for delay. There it is. Low pressure or high pressure switch is needed. We'll get it ordered for her. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Take care.